Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video where today we are going to be playing BeamNG.Drive. If you've never played this game, it's pretty much, well, it's a car game, but you can crash. It's so satisfying if you like watching cars crash and stuff. It's a lot of fun, and we're going to be checking out a couple of car mods, maybe some maps, and yeah, let's get right into it. So, we're going to be checking out the Car Jump Arena. This is a very popular map because it's just really a big ramp where you can jump a bunch of cars and it's a lot of fun. So, I'll catch you when we get in. Okay guys, we are in BeamNG. This is what it is. This is my starter car and this is what the top of the ramp looks like. So, we're going to be pressing escape and this is where it takes you to your menu. You press vehicles. And these are all the vehicles I have. So some of these are modded, like these three are modded, a couple, like these guys are modded. But they're on the BeamNG official, on BeamNG's official, website. It's on Chrome or Windows, wherever you look stuff up. So you can look it up and get some of these mods. So yeah, what car should we do? Let's try the Lamborghini. This is a good car. We're gonna do the twin turbo kit. And sometimes it happens. Yeah, there we go. Just give it a second to load in because it's a mod. This is what it looks like. It's very shiny, very good looking. All right, let's do this. That might be really loud. Sorry if that's loud. All right, let's go. Also go inside, which is pretty cool. And slow motion. Oh, that was satisfying. It just became a pancake, dude. Literally everything got destroyed. So then if you want to go back to where you started, you press Shift and R. So you hold Shift and then press R. So we're going to switch up the car. That one was awesome. We'll try the Back to the Future DeLorean soon, but let's try the normal DeLorean. And if you're wondering why I have two, it's because this one is way better and I'll show you why. Alright, this is just the factory one. So here it is. This is the car. So you might be thinking, yeah, it's just basic. How is it better? Well, you can open up the doors and the hood and the back, which not a lot of these modded cars can do. That's why this is one of the top rated cars on the BeamNG car mod website. So let's close all the doors, and I think if you press T as well, yeah, if you press T, your door will open. Alright, let's do this. I have the turbo. We're just gonna do the inside view. Oh gosh, oh flip. Slow down. Flip. It landed. It still drives. Wait, hold up. What? Maybe. Let's see. Oh, I think the engine's broken. Yeah, the engine's 100% broken. But it could have still driven, I think, if it wasn't broken. Alright, let's now try the Back to the Future one. And this Back to the Future one has many different styles, including the jet car. We'll check that one out later. But the Back to the Future version has a very unique feature. And it's when you hit 88 miles an hour, it will go freaking like the speed of light. It goes super fast. This is what the car looks like. I love this mod. This is a great mod. This is not on the BeamNG website, because they couldn't really license it. But I don't remember what the website you find this mod is on. But I'll have to maybe find it. Alright, let's check in the interior. You got the speedometer, you got the time circuits, you got the time circuit switch, the flux capacitor, some buttons. No buttons on the steering wheel, unfortunately, because there's originally buttons. Alright, let's do this. This one cannot open doors. Alright, let's go. We gotta hit 88 miles an hour. This is the one from the second one. There we go. Once you hit 88 miles an hour, it goes super fast. It has fire. Oh gosh, it's getting bad. Oh! You can see the steering wheel! Oh my gosh! This boy is smoking. It is so hot. That was insane. Alright, let's check out a different map. I'll see you there. I don't have much time left, so we're going to make this quick. Let's try the monster truck. Yes, there's a monster truck mod. This is on the official BeamNG website, so if you want to get it, you can get it. And look at how many freaking not Godzillas, Godzillas, monster trucks there are. There's so much. Even the originals. You got the Bull, Gravedigger. I've been to a monster truck. A monster jam is what they're called, and it is so much fun. It's really loud, but it's so much fun to watch. And my favorite one was it wasn't I don't think it was called Megalodon. I think it was called Shark. I don't know, but we're gonna do the Megalodon 2021. I went 2015 or something. So a long time well, not too long ago. A little bit ago. So I have about 5 minutes, so we're gonna have to we might be able to do this one and one more car if we don't spend too much time. Alright, here we have it, guys. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. That's better. At least it is for me. Alright, let's check this thing out. Oh, I almost hit it already. We're gonna go off! Woo! Did you see that? Oh, God. Let's get it, dude! It's already broken. Hold up, I gotta fix this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Alright, let's just fix it. Alright, we're gonna go this way. This thing sucks. Alright, let's get it. Oh gosh. This thing is huge! How? Woo! Oh crap! I did like a 360 there. Oh, come on, make it. Oh, it broke right here. I'm just gonna reset. Yeah, if you just press R, you'll reset where you're at. Oh, crap, it broke. Here we go! Woo, baby! Oh, gosh. Oh, we exploded. Well. Let's reset exactly where we were at. And if you hold down R, it'll do this weird thing. Alright, let's try one more car. We have a couple minutes left. What car? I feel like the Formula car would be cool. We got two cars. We have Deadpool, which is pretty much Red Bull. What's a good one? No, let's just go with Deadpool. The original. Well, not the original, the first car. Ooh, look at this. Oh, it even has a freaking driver. Oh, this looks sick, actually. The speedometer works too. Oh, I can't wait. Wait, what? Wait, what happened? I turned off the car, I think, on accident. Alright, let's do this. Oh, yeah, baby. This is gonna be fast, dude. Oh, this is not the exact spot we should be at. Alright, I'm gonna take this car and put it on the runway. Alright, here we go. Now, if you want to pretty much fly, you press F8, and then to spawn your car where you're at, press F7. And it'll place your car here. Alright, we're gonna go super fast. Let's go, and we're gonna do first person. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. This is fast, dude. Holy cow. Oh crap. Oh, it's fine. The turning is like flawless on this, dude. Oh my gosh. This is insane, dude. Oh crap. Hey, we actually would have survived. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss a daily upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.